Hi everybody, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. It's June 2019 and do you all know what happens today and tomorrow? Well, today is the last day you can order from the current catalog, and then tomorrow about midday we can start ordering from our new catalog. I still can't show you the inside. Tomorrow I can start showing you the inside. But today I can only show you the cover. Those are the rules. But we have some beautiful new stamp sets to share. So I think you're all going to be very happy. If you don't have a demonstrator who's already provided you with a catalog, reach out to me. I'm happy to add you to my mailing list and have you start shopping with me. That would be fabulous. If you're enjoying my videos here, remember always below I have my link to the online host code each month, and usually the link to the blog post where I put the details of all the projects that we're sharing on the videos. And you can subscribe to the Show and Tell newsletter, which happens every Tuesday, and anything I share this week is posted on next week's newsletter, kind of as a summary reminder captured all in one place. So let's talk about this month's card candy. Okay, so every month my VIP stampers, anybody who stamps with me, shops with me, or plays in my card candy challenges, get fun orange envelope in the mail, and I usually share some new product sample with them. This month I'm sharing the Free as a Bird and the Bird Ballad Designer Series paper suites. So if you're one of my lucky VIP stampers, you are going to get a kit like this. Now you're going to have a Whisper white card, you're going to have a couple pieces of Designer Series paper, and it could be any of these varieties of Designer Series paper. We'll look at them in just a second. A sample of the bird, a sample of the new nested labeled framelits with some of the expressions stamped on that for you. Some of you are going to get this bird instead, where we've got the four, and I've already colored that one with my blends, but and some white twine. So get excited and use those fun papers to make some fun projects. Snap a photo and send them to me, and I will share them on the website, and you get entered into the end of the month drawing. What is my end of the month drawing? Right, free shipping on your next order with me. Who doesn't love free shipping? It's great. Okay, so let's take a quick peek at this Designer Series paper, right? So, kind of back it up a little bit. I'll show them to you one at a time. We've got this lovely piece with all these bird sets. Think fussy cutting and getting lots of bird elements out of it, right? Or use it as a background, but I think there are going to be some lovely cards made with you fussy cutting around some of these bird sets. And look, you could have multiple cards with multiple birds. On the back side we have this fun, tame pink polka dot. Alright, next up is these wonderful branches with Pool Party and Petal Pink in there. And on the back we've got all these beautiful birds. And for those of you who got the Hugs from Shelley paper pumpkin kit, this is going to coordinate great with that stamp set. Here's another fun bird page, which I think is maybe my favorite one in the whole album. I might get tired of it, but I think it's pretty much my favorite. And what's really fun is these are great ways to then color the birds with your blends. So if you kind of wondered, oh, what colors do I use? I don't want to just use one color. Use your paper as inspiration of how to color your birds. The flip side, we've got this fun print of lines with the colors that coordinates. That's easy. All right. Here we've got a Pool Party with some more birds on branches. Again, you could fussy cut or punch these out. Use it as a background. And on the flip side, we've got the beautiful yellow with a kind of little bird print on it. We've got another one with these bold flowers. Bold is nice. And then on the flip, we've got this old olive with the green keys on there. Then we've got the wonderful bird cages, right? And that's in our Calypso Coral, or the flip side is the bold feathers. So those are the fun patterns in the Bird Ballad Designer Series paper. And the Free as a Bird stamp set, it's new cling, right? So we've got 2 bird images, we've got 4 or 5 different sentiments, we've got a little leaf, we've got some flowers to use. So lots of fun images you can use to make cool projects. Okay, so every month I also do a case. This is a case sketch challenge for June. Anyone can play in the case challenge. You don't have to be a VIP stamper with me, and you can use any products you like. And it's a case, so copy and selectively edit. So here's just the idea. You can change it up any way you want, but I'm going to make a card with one of these card candy kits, and I'm going to kind of follow the case, and you'll see as I go. So here's the card candy kit, right? So I had a bird. I've already colored and cut one so that that would be a little bit faster. And so all I'm going to do is, see here on my case, it's got a card base, and then we've got a mounted up piece, and it looks like two pieces together. So you might think, okay, so she's going to marry them like this. Well, actually I'm going to marry them like this. So, oh no, my adhesive isn't on the table. Sorry, a little panic there, but I'm back. I always try to put it all on the table, and I usually do pretty good, but I did just take the adhesive in the other room a minute ago. So I'm just going to put some snail on the back of my Designer Series paper, and I'm just going to bring that up here and put it on my white card base. Then I'm going to marry this piece down below, just kind of as a band, right underneath it. Now when you get your kits, you can cut them down, use whatever size you want, add products you have, make it your card. Don't make it my card, it's your card. Okay, now I'm going to add the sentiment. Now do I want to put it there? No, I think I want to put it on this side and put the bird over here. Yep, that's what I want to do. So I'm going to pop my sentiment up on some dimensionals. And I'm going to put this right where this band came together, just kind of smooth out my edges a little bit. My bird already has a dimensional. I'm going to put him kind of down here. Now I also had some white twine in there, so I've doubled it over and made a slip knot. My bunny ear bow knot, you know, I've showed that to you before, where I make the two loops and tie the knot and then make it the size I want it. So I'm just going to put a glue dot on the back of my little knot there. And let's see, I'm going to put him right there, just for a little bit of frill. So there's one card potential out of the kits that went out in the mail to my VIP stampers. And you see how it's similar to the case, right? I've married two pieces together and I've got a sentiment element there, but it's different too. So there's one. Now here's another one. This one I cut down to be note card size. And again, I've married two panels together. I actually added another one on the bottom. And then I just used the little thank you for that one. And then this one, I kind of liked the idea of the stripes behind it. So let me move that out of the way. This one, I took 4 pieces of scrap cardstock that coordinate in the paper, and I just made a striped background, stepped it in, put on my piece of birds that I love so much, and then just put my sentiment on. So easy, right? Easy cards, all fun, and you can make them for whatever you need them for. So there we go, guys. Now, something else I'm going to try this month, and you guys can let me know what you think. So I'm trying to get back into doing more show and tells, right? I've been busy homeschooling my son since February, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of things for everybody. I know they're being missed, so I've decided with the new catalog starting this month that I'm going to take every other month and focus on a suite. So this month I'm focusing on the Bird Ballad suite, so the stamp set and the papers and the elements that go with it. And what you're going to find is that I have about half a dozen show and tell videos planned out to share projects using these products. So at the end of the month, there'll be lots of ideas for you that I've already explained, and the instructions will be available to you that you can case. So how about that? And then next month I'm going to do something a little different, but then the following month I'll pick another suite. So you let me have some feedback during the month, how I'm doing, what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see. And I'll take all that into consideration when I'm planning my future show and tells. Alright everybody, I hope you're really excited for the new catalog. I'm really excited to get started with the new catalog and sharing it with all of you. And again, if you need anything, please contact me, Susan at pumpkinhillstampers.com, and I will do my best to help you out. Alright everybody, I hope you do some fun stamping, are enjoying some better weather. We've had some weird weather, and let's get ready for the start of the summer. Here it comes. Alright, bye-bye everybody.